I'm Dan Tryon. I teach manufacturing systems, polymer molding and forming, computer integrated manufacturing. Yeah, the course here at SUNY Oswego is it's an upper division course. Students work in teams. They design a product with many parts to it, and then design a production system to produce 99 of those things efficiently and effectively. Course is laid out in essentially 4 acts. Act 1 is sort of a warm-up manufacturing activity. I design the product, students work in teams, we learn about all kinds of cool manufacturing concepts and principles, and we sort of make a lot of mistakes practicing on this one product, the mass production of that one product. It's kind of short and sweet, maybe 2 weeks. Act 2, students working in those same teams design their own product and then develop over the course of several weeks a production process to produce 99 of those things.
My name is Thomas Armstrong. This is my junior semester here in SUNY Oswego, and I am in the Manufacturing Systems course. For this class, I'm on the Tech Titans team. We're making aluminum wallets for our main project this semester.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Trong. Right now I'm taking the manufacturing and processing class. So the manufacturing class is made so that we have a good understanding of how producing and production systems work in manufacturing. In addition to that, we learn a lot of different skills on how to use the different equipment and machines in the facilities, and also have to learn how to work with team members in order to produce our products.
The Tech Titans, we're a real good group of rapscallions. We're putting together some wallets, all button heads, designing, making decisions, butting heads on design decisions, really trying to choose the best path to this company and produce all the products we want. Our product is a metal wallet. We call it the Titan wallet. It is meant to be almost a competitor to things like the Ridge wallet. Very sleek, customizable. You can engrave it, paint it. It's very durable and affordable as well. Manufacturing, man, it is a trial by fire. All of your skills are put to the test. Every single lab is almost in use, and it's basically put up or show up. Either you show up, you put in the work, turn out a good product, or you know what you didn't do right and you're able to explain and understand that, or you falter. This is truly the class that puts all the skills you learn at this college to the test.